What's good, y'all? What's happening, man? It's FLYEERRKicks, and welcome back to the channel. Now, if this is your first time here, man, I appreciate you for stopping by. Feel free to hit that subscribe button, man. Join the freaking Flyers Club. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out. Drop a like, drop a comment if you like the content. And last but not least, man, I got my IG name listed right here down below. Head over to IG, give me a follow. Let's interact on there as well. Now, let's jump right into it, man. Y'all seen the title, thumbnail. Y'all clicked on this video for one reason. Let's check these joints out, man. Regular Nike SB purple box, man. Nike SB with the Nike check on the front of this joint. Nike SB on the side. And the tag on this particular pair reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. Court purple, black, white. Size 12, man. Personal size. I was able to snag these joints on sneakers, bro. Let's check them out and see if you guys are rocking with them, man. Now here we have the Nike SB Dunk Low in the court purple colorway. J-Pack inspired, man. Black toe style color blocking. Let's check out the details and materials, man. Let's see how you guys are feeling about these joints, bro. Now, starting with the front of the shoe, man, this joint comes laced in the smooth white leather going across that toe box. Black toe going around the toe cap, man, all the way up the eyelets where the laces go. Black laces there. Has the white side panel in the middle with the black Nike swoosh going to the back. Now, this black material is like a smooth, like matte black material. Not really a shiny metallic or anything like that. Like a smooth, more matte finish than we're used to seeing on like regular black leather shoes. Getting towards the back of the shoe, man, it has a purple hit going across the back panel of the shoe, and that's like in a matte material as well. Getting to the back of the shoe, man, it has the black and purple solid colors, man, all black up top, purple in the middle, and then white going across the midsole. And if this joint focuses, man, as you can see, it does have the black going across the top, and it has the black Nike embroidered into the heel tab, man. Black on black hit there, purple in the middle, white on that midsole. Getting to the inside of the shoe, man, it has the core purple going across the back hit, white on the mid panel once again, and some slightly more tumble leather on this mid panel than you see on the toe box. Has the matte black looking swoosh, black going back around that toe cap with the black laces, man. Now getting back to the front of the shoe, man, like I said earlier, black laces, pure white tongue, white Nike SB tongue tag with the black stitching going in that joint, man. Really nice neutral shoe here. Black going across the interior of the shoe here. And it has a purple insole with the Nike SB and the Zoom Air unit on the insole, man. So purple insole, white writing, white Nike SB, white Zoom Air, man. Black toe color blocking on this joint, man. Super solid shoe. Now getting to that midsole, they want the pure white midsole, pure white stitching. All court purple going across the outsole with the black foam exposed right in the middle of the shoe, man. Court purple and black, white midsole, pure white stitching, man. Just white, black, and purple, the only three colors going around this shoe. Super padded inside tongue, true Nike SB fashion, extra padding around the ankle collar, extra padding on the tongue. Inside of the tongue does have court purple hits as well, man, with the white outline on the tongue, man. Nice shoe, like I said, man, Jordan, black toe inspired, man. They did like the green Rerelease, and they've done a lot of colors in this color blocking with the black toe style. J-Pack inspired, man. This is a really good shoe to me. Leave a comment down below, man. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these joints so far. Now getting into that right shoe, man, just the same as the left. Has the white going across the toe box, black going across that toe cap in like a smooth matte material, white going across the side panel, black swoosh, some pretty soft purple leather going across the back hits, black Nike heel tab with the black Nike embroidered in, man, black on black there, purple in the middle. Get to the inside of the shoe, man, just the same as the outside, white, black, and purple all the way across. Some more tumble hits on the mid panel of the inside of both shoes than you see on the front toe. But decent materials overall on the whole shoe for sure, man. Now getting back to the front, as I mentioned earlier, black laces, pure white tongue tag with the Nike SB written in black, purple insole with the white Nike SB and the white Nike Zoom Air. And this joint did come with one set of extra laces, man. They want the pure white extra laces on these joints, man. If I decide to keep these joints, I probably will throw the white laces just to offset the black on the eye stays. Either way it go, good shoe. White, black, and purple, can't go wrong with the black or the white laces. But just something about it, man. Every time I get like a Jordan 1, any black toe, bread toe style blocking, even just regular breads, regular Royals, I like to go with white laces just to offset, just to make that midsole pop on the shoe. But good one overall, man. I just seem to like white laces on a lot of my shoes, but this is a good one. Can't go wrong with the white or the black. Let me know which one you would go with, man. You going with the black factory install, or you gonna switch them out and go with white, man? Leave me a comment down below. Now, as I mentioned earlier, man, I was able to grab these joints for retail on sneakers on Saturday. I believe that was January 27th. They did a restock on these, man. These joints are originally released in 2021, and Nike SB has been going back in the vault, man, pulling out a lot of stuff that was releasing 2, 3, 4 years ago, and they're giving everything a retro now, man. So a lot of the shoes are getting re-releases, man. And this is the one that I missed out on, and that I really kind of wanted to go ahead and grab. I like this color blocking, and with pretty much any color they do, I just happened to get lucky on this one on sneakers, man. Now the retail price on these joints was 115 bucks. Here in Texas, that was like 124 and some change out the door. So a pretty reasonably priced shoe. Nothing too crazy, man. Some decent materials, but this isn't like a premium SB, no collab. So I went with the base price of 115, the new base price actually of 115 bucks. Now as far as resale, man, you can grab these joints for like 160 and less. Across the board, the bigger sizes are like 160, and some of like the super smaller sizes, that 5, 6, 7, those are like 160. Everything else is like 150 and less, man. So super cheap, super affordable option for sure. Just above retail. Today is Tuesday, I got them in, so 3 days later, pricing is still sitting around that 150 mark. Nothing too crazy. I believe these ones are gonna drop down a little bit to maybe like 140-ish, but I think they're gonna go back up once everyone gets their pairs in hand and people move the pairs they're gonna move, people start wearing them. I think these joints end up bouncing back to like that 150, 160, maybe 170 range, but I think 150, 160 is a solid price for these joints all the way around, man. Good shoe. Now, as far as quality and quality control on this joint, man, nothing crazy as far as material. The white leather is a better leather that you get on your basic dunks. The purple leather is pretty nice. The black leather is pretty standard leather. But Nike SB, as far as a full construct and as far as like the quality of materials, is generally better than your regular Nike Dunks. I do see like a little flaw, like a little wonkiness like on the toe. You can see like some not necessarily misstitching, but just uneven stitching, that wrinkle right there going across the toe. Some wrinkles going across the toe box, but nothing too crazy. Nike SB does like a fairly good job on their quality and their quality control on the shoe, even the basic pairs like these, man. So pretty decent quality, nothing crazy. Don't expect the A1 perfect shoe when you're getting these. Don't expect super buttery quality on the leather or anything like that, but definitely a good quality shoe, man. A shoe that will hold up. You can get some good wear out of these. They'll break in really well, and it's a skateboard shoe, so these joints are made to be broken in and to last and to be really worn. So us casual wearers, as far as SB, not a skater, so I'll be wearing these joints casually, so they definitely will last a really long time when you're dealing with a shoe like this, man. But overall, man, just about wraps it up for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick unboxing and review of this Nike Dunk Low in the Court Purple J-Pack colorway, man. Leave me an honest opinion down below. Let me know how you guys are feeling about these, man. Is it a cop? Is it a drop? Are you dripping, flipping, skipping, man? I just want to hear your honest opinion, man. Leave me a comment down below and let me know, man. Let me know. I want to hear it. But like I said, man, it's going to wrap it up for this one, man. Until next time on the next video, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low in the Court Purple Black Toe J-Pack style color blocking, man. Peace.